Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this hair curling wand. It's pretty actually cool, the concept of this and everything. I've actually already tried it out on my daughter, and her hair never keeps curls, and the next day she woke up and her hair still had curls. So I've never tried anything that actually worked on her hair. I will put the link and everything where you can purchase this down in the description box below, along with the coupon code. I believe they said they're going to give me a coupon code. So I will put that in the description box down below as well, and we'll get right into this. I'm actually going to be doing my daughter's hair today. So yes, so first of all, I'm going to take it out. This is what it looks like. So it comes, I put it back in, even though I've already used it, just to kind of show you how it comes. You just pull this out, and then it comes like this. And what you do, you plug it in. Go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so it's plugged in, and at the very bottom, it'll say off. I don't know if you can see that. You turn it on. And then you turn up the heat. So it goes up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you can also press this and you'll see like a rotate, and you just it, like right now it's set to the right side. And then if you want to rotate it to the left, you just go to left, and then it has auto. But I'm going to do right. I have it set for 12 seconds per side. So get over here. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you how to use it. Sit down. This is my daughter, Scarlett. Scarlett, say hi to everyone. Okay, let's put this down so that you can see her hair. So her hair is just like so healthy that you didn't bring the brush.
I already brushed it.
Yeah, but it's not brushed good. So her hair is just so healthy that it's like, it's really hard for it to keep curl. Why did you wet your hair? You shouldn't be wetting it if you're about to curl it, girl. You're going to fry your hair. So what I do is I start out with pieces like this. And as you can see, it has two buttons on the side, and you open it till that thing shows. And you place the hair inside of it, and it wraps it in. And you'll hear it beep when it's done. You see that? So that means it's done. And that is what the curl looks like. Okay. Now we're doing another section. Same thing. This thing is so easy to use. I love this thing. I used it on my mother-in-law as well, and it worked perfectly. Sometimes it does error, but it lets you know and you just turn it off. See? It just like seriously works so well. So I'm going to go, I'll show you when it gets to the left side. And I love how it makes the double beeping sound when it's finished. That one kind of got stuck in there. It's okay. I'm going to do this one again because I didn't brush the hair good enough. Kind of errored. Okay. Same thing. I'm just going to do this one again because it didn't get it good. Another thing that's really good about this is you can't burn yourself unless you were to actually open it and stick your finger, because the metal rod is in the inside. So this is great to use on kids like my own. I have not used it on myself. I don't know if my hair is too long, but my mother-in-law's hair is on probably about my length, and it works really well, but I'm actually wearing tape and hair extensions So I'm not sure how it would work on tape and hair extensions. I'll have to try it out. I just don't curl my hair too often. As you can see, it's been less than 6 minutes and I've already got half her hair done. It's super quick. A kid could use this. It's so easy to use. You just grab, pull it out. So I'm about to switch sides. Again, you just grab it, stick it between there. And if you don't want to push in and then pull out the curl, and it doesn't pull as hard, and so it keeps the curl more intact. So now I'm going to switch it over. So what I do is I go to the main menu right here and I press it until it rotates, and then I want to go to the left side. And so now it's going to start putting the curls in the opposite way. So I'll go ahead and show you. And like I said, her hair is normally like super, super hard to curl. Like I cannot get her hair to keep curls to save my life. And it worked so well on her hair. See, look at that. Just like really beautiful curls. Super easy to use. Don't have to worry about... Okay, see, now it errored. So what I do...
Ow.
I turn it off. I turn it back on. Actually, it goes up to 450 degrees. So I didn't even have this on the hottest setting. I had it on 3. So I actually had it on the lowest setting. My bad. Okay, so what I did, the reason why I errored is I did a little piece that was too thick, so it does that. So you just lower it and, like, not lower it, but get a little piece that's not as thick, and then it'll curl it just fine. So I raised up the heat so you can see the difference. 2 of curls with a little more heat compared to a while ago. Okay, so okay. And see, like when it does error, you just pull. Okay. Just fix it. That's a good thing. You just pull it right out and it does perfectly fine. If your hair is like kind of knotted, it'll also get errors in it as well. Look how pretty that one is. It's because I set the heating a little high, like a little higher, so you can see it's just curling it a lot more. Again, that's too thick, so it would error with that. So let's try this. And since I've started with the hotter heat, you can see that these are a little more relaxed and these are a little more tight. So that's the difference between the heat settings. It just didn't get as hot. Super easy to use though. And this is by the brand MKBOO. I think that's how you say it. MKBOO. But like I said, I will list everything in the description box down below where to get it. And I also got some coupon codes for you guys. So, like I said, put all that down below. Okay, so it errored. Fix. So, when it errors, it's just because it didn't get it really like a good, it really clean in there. So it lets you know that your curl's not going to come out too great. So you just want to make sure that the hair is really brushed out, because if it has any knots, that's why it will also sometimes error. But like I said, you just turn it back on, turn it off, and then turn it right back on, and it fixes. And just hurry up and pull it off the hair so it does not burn the hair, because it's not counting anymore at that point. Sorry about that. My husband just called me and it kicked me off. So I went ahead and did the last curl. So as you can see, this is the side where the heat was down, and this is the side where the heat was set on a higher heat. These are like more like beach waves, and this is more like just really curled. And I'm going to brush them out and kind of show you what they look like. When you're done, you just hold that on down and it turns off. And that's it. And it's like, you don't have to worry. The outside of it does not get hot. I had it on the highest setting and it is not hot. Now the metal rod, that's going to be hot. So don't touch that. But other than that, I mean, you don't have to worry about your kid just walking up and burning their hand unless they stuck their fingers down in there. But really cool. I'm going to go ahead and brush out her curls to kind of show you. So like I said, this is that side, which is just kind of more like a beach wave. And then this half, and as you can see, this half is just more like natural curls. And you can also do like the auto setting, and it'll just like put some forward, back. It just alternates the curls. I usually use like curls like this. And once these relax, it's going to be really pretty. But this is also like just really pretty, so you can see. So that's the two different curls that you can get depending on your heat setting. These are going to last a lot longer, and once these kind of relax and kind of come out, it's going to look more like this. This will probably end up straightening out more and just be barely there. But yes, I really do like this. I do highly recommend it. What do you think? You like your hair? What side do you like more?
I think both.
You like both? Okay, you can get up now. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Okay. So, let me know what you guys think. Which side did you like more, the right side or the left side? I personally like the right side more just because that's more of my style, but I also think the left side was really cute as well on a lower heat setting. So, yes, if you have kids, I think this is a great like gift idea for them, like for their birthdays if they're wanting to start curling their hair or anything. She's always wanting her hair done, and I'm like, I'm not doing it because they usually do not last, and I'm just sitting there burning myself curling her hair. And this thing's awesome. Like I said, you can't burn yourself, and it's easy. You just, I mean, she could do it herself. That's how easy this is to use. You just push the two side, it opens that little latch right there, and then you feed your hair, let it go, and it starts spinning the hair into there. And that's how that works. Just really easy to use. Really, really good quality. It's not very heavy. I mean, it has a good weight. You can tell it's not cheaply made. This is not a cheap product at all. You can tell it's just very well made. It's beautiful. I think they do have different colors. I chose the red. I really like this one. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. God bless you guys.